Hi all, today's topic is limiting form or long run. For a problem 3, a college student X has the following study habits. If he studies one night, he is 70% sure not to study the next night. Next day he study means next day he will not study. If he does not study one night, he is only 60% sure not to study the next night. Find the transition probability means P we have to calculate. How often he studies in a long run. Long run means the corresponding pi 1, pi 2, pi 3 we have to calculate. First we have to write a transition probability matrix. TPM we have to write. It's nothing but TPM is P we have to write. So it is only speak about two things, studying and not studying. S is for studying I will write. Not studying I will use N, not studying. It is 2 cross 2 matrices. Only it speak about 2. So P I have to write 2 cross 2 matrices. So it is nothing but studying, not studying. So now what is the question given? 70% means 0.7. Okay. 0.7 from he studies one night and not to study. Study to not to study. Study to not study. It's 0.7. It is mentioned in the question. Fix 0.7. Okay. So next he does not study. Does not study. Not study to. And he is only to not to study. Not to study. So both not to study is 60%. 60% means 0.6. So not to study. Not to study. It is mentioned to be 0 point, so it is 60%, this is 70%. Okay, so this data, both the data are given, this is not given, so it is nothing but 1 minus the corresponding, so 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3, so 1 minus 0.6 is nothing but 0.4. This is the data now given, P in the first subdivision calculated. Okay, now how to find the long run, we have to do it. Long run, we know that long run, it's nothing but the condition pi p equal to pi, sum of pi equal to 1. So this is first equation, this is second equation. Solve both, we will be getting pi 1, pi 2. So completed. Now it's nothing but pi 1, pi 2 equal to p is 0.3, 0.7, 0.4, 0.6 equal to pi 1, pi 2. So simplify this equation. So normal matrix multiplication. 0.3 pi 1 plus 0.4 pi 2 equal to pi 1. Same way 0.7 pi 1 plus 0.6 pi 2 equal to pi 2. We have two set of equation. Already two set I have written. 3, 4 I will write. So from my second equation, it's nothing but pi 1 plus pi 2 equal to 1. So this is my fifth equation. Solve all the three, solve it. So now we will get our solution. Solve it. First I will simplify this both. I'll make it any one term, or pi 1 I will bring it here. So it becomes easy. So pi 1 when I bring, so it's 0.3 pi 1 minus pi 1 plus 0.4 pi 2 equal to 0. So when I simplify it, so now bring this equation pi 1 plus pi 2 equal to 1. So the correspondingly multiply it 0.54 in this. When I multiply it 0.54 when I multiply I will get cancelled. So it is nothing but 0.4 pi 1 plus 0.4 pi 2 equal to 0.4 So now simplify it. This both get cancelled. So now it is nothing but 1 point. So this 8. 1.1 minus 1.1 pi 1 equal to 0.4. So minus 1 cancel. So pi 1 I'll be getting to be, so divide 4 by 11. So 4 by 11 or calculate in calculator also you'll get answer 4 by 11. So my answer is 4 by 11 pi 1. Same way pi 2 I have to substitute. I will substitute in this answer in equation 5. I will get pi 2. Pi 2 1 minus pi 1 I have to do it. 7 by 11. So I'm getting pi 2 to be 7 by 11. So how I have to write? Add and check pi 1 plus pi 2. You should get 1. Then only your answer is correct. 7 by 11 plus 4 by 11 plus 8, 9, 10. Remainder 1, 11, 11, 1. Yes, it's correct. So our answer is correct. So pi 1 and pi 2 are correct. So you have to separate it and write what is the question asked for pi 1 and pi 2. So if he studies means the question it is asked, he studied. Okay, he studies in a long run means study is nothing but I used for study pi 1 notation, not study for a pi 2 notation, not study for a pi 2 notation. Whatever it is in the single problem we can calculate it. For a long run it is asked. So long run for a study, it's pi 1 parameter. So pi 1 is nothing but 4 by 11. So it is not asked for, he does not study. He did not study or not study. Does not study. Does not study in the long run. So it is nothing but pi 2 is 11 by 1. So this is the question it is asked. We'll check in the question. So what it is asked. So what is the question it is asked? So in the question it is asked, he studies only it is asked. So pi 1 only. So pi 1 we have calculated, it's nothing but 4 by 11. So this is our final answer. 4 by 11 is our final answer. Thank you.